Good morning all of you. Today we will see the next point, that is Lewis concept. Now this Lewis concept, this can be first of all divided by the scientist G. N. Lewis. This can be divided by the scientist G. N. Lewis in 1923. Now this concept can be useful to define acids and bases. Now when we have taken acids and bases, according to scientist G. N. Lewis, acid, it can be defined as, acid is a substance which is called as electron pair acceptor. Electron pair acceptor, it is called as the acid, which can be defined by the scientist G. N. Lewis. And when we have taken base, base is a substance electron pair donor. Now these are the two substances, one is acid, second will be base. Acid is a electron pair acceptor, base is electron pair donor substance. Now when we have taken as a here electron pair acceptor, it is called as the electrophilic. Now when we have taken as a electrophilic means, now electro means electron and philic means here that is lover, that is electron lover. This will be called as the electrophilics, and generally it is called as the electrophiles. When we have taken as the acids, these acids are called as the electrophilic means electrophiles, and when we have taken as the electron pair donor substances, now these are called as the nucleophilic substances. Nucleophilic substances means here that is nucleus lover. It is called as the nucleus lover means nucleophiles. It is electrophiles, it is nucleophiles. Now this idea can be taken according to the scientist G. N. Lewis, that is electrophilic substances, nucleophilic substances, they can be taken as acids and bases. Firstly, electron pair acceptor, these are called as the, you can say, acids according to G. N. Lewis definitions. Electron pair donor substances, base. Now generally when we have taken as a electron pair acceptor species, that time what happens here, they must possess vacant orbitals. To take the electrons, to gain the electrons, they must possess, these are the atoms, they must possess vacant orbitals. Vacant orbital must be essential in case of the outermost cell, which is called as the valency cell, and therefore totally acids, they must possess vacant orbitals means you can say here that is the positive charge containing orbitals. All the metal ions, they can be acted as the acids. Here metal ions can be taken. Again when we have taken electron pair donor species, they must be, that is that is you can say nucleophiles means electron rich species, they must be able to donate the electron to the other species. It is called as the bases. And generally when we have taken as the electron pair donor, electron pair acceptor, depending upon these definitions here, formation of coordinate bond can be takes place. This is one of the most important property as concerned to neutralization process. Suppose we have taken here, that is you can say this water, this here electron pairs are present, plus you should take H plus, this will be called as the acid, this will be called as the base. And when we have taken here, that is you can say here that H3O plus, this is the neutralization process where the acid base can be combined. Now again what happens here, suppose we have taken here, that is ammonia. This ammonia possesses lone pair of electrons. We should write this in this way. H3N means lone pair of electrons, plus we should take here, that is Bf3. This can be possesses vacant orbitals. This will be base, this will be acid. Both combines with NH3 BF3 adduct. This adduct can be taken, and therefore in this way formation of, you can say, the complexes can be takes place. Now generally also if we have taken here, that is here 4NO, you can say 4CO plus Ni. This can be also used here, that is vacant orbital, here electrons, and therefore totally what happens here, NiCO4. This is the complex can be formed, and this complex can be totally taken as concerned to describe, that is totally coordinate bonds. 4 coordinate bonds will be present in case of this NiCO4, and therefore these are acts as the acid base reactions. Now here we have taken as the nickel is a base, nickel is acid, this will be the base, and when we have taken base, it can be possesses electron pairs. These electron pairs are essential to donate as concerned to vacant orbital containing nickel, and therefore NiCO4, this complex can be formed, and these are ideas can be essential to explain the Lewis concept. That is, in case of the Lewis concept, here classification of acids and bases can be also taken, but simple concept can be taken here. Acid is a substance, electron pair acceptor; base is a substance, electron pair donor. Again, when we have taken neutralization process, here formation of coordinate bond can be takes place. How the formation of coordinate bond can be takes place? Suppose we have taken nitrogen containing lone pair of electrons, and totally this can be donated to the bosons, and therefore this would be forms here coordinate bonds. That is, it can be shifted from electron pair donor to electron pair acceptor, and therefore totally here Lewis concept can be taken. Now again, how the classification of acids can be takes place? Lewis acids. Lewis acids are nothing but all the cations, they can be acted as the Lewis acids. Cations means positive charge containing, they will be acted as the acids. You can say here that simple cations can be taken here. Again, you can say incomplete octet can be explained. Again, that is here expanded octet compounds can be explained. Again, some molecules which will be consist of the double bonds, they can be also taken here. Now this is the explanation about the you can say Lewis acids. How the Lewis bases can be taken? Lewis bases can be taken with the help of the all the ions, they can be acted as the Lewis base. Again, here neutral molecules, ammonia, water, all they can be acted as the Lewis base. Again, you should take here, that is remaining they will be taken as concerned with, that is suppose we have taken AlCl3, again they can be acted as the, again you should take other atoms, they can be combined together. Formation of positive, negative ions can be takes place, and therefore totally they can be also acted as the bases. Now this classification we will see in case of, that is Lewis concept. How this Lewis concept can be explained.